These are Gongura leaves, also called red sorrel leaves, very sour in taste. And today I'll show you how you can use when you have so much grown in your garden very wisely in your recipes. After separating all the leaves, I wash them nicely and then put it in a hot pan. The water left over from the washed leaves just helps them steam a bit. You can go ahead and push and fill the pan because greens usually tend to completely reduce after they cook. Close the lid and simmer it and cook it for 2 minutes. Then stir it nicely and close the lid again for 2 minutes and stir it nicely for a couple of times. This way the leaves are cooked evenly, and when they are dark green in color, you know it's ready. Let it cool for a while, and once it's cooled, transfer it to the cutting board. Start chopping it vertically and also horizontally, just the way I'm doing. This helps the leaves to get chopped nicely, and it will not be a puree but a nicely finely chopped leaves. You can use them in any recipe you want. Wherever you can replace them with tamarind because these leaves are pretty sour. Keep cutting it vertically and horizontally until you feel it's finely chopped. Transfer it into a bowl to store it in the fridge for a week. You can use in any recipes where you want. It's very easy to use this way. I use it in Gongura chicken. I also will be using in one of the recipes which I'll be posting next week. Surprising part is I replaced tamarind in my dates and tamarind chutney for panipuri with Gongura, and it turned out super duper good and delicious.